The smartphone world has reached a groundbreaking milestone with the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, powered by the brand new Exynos2400 chipset. This advanced smartphone is engineered to deliver top-tier performance, efficiency, and a seamless user experience, setting new benchmarks for mid-range flagship devices in 2025. Samsung has meticulously designed the S25 FE to cater to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users who demand a perfect blend of speed, battery efficiency, and software optimization. The Galaxy S25 FE builds upon the successful Fan Edition series, combining premium features, refined design, powerful processing, and affordable pricing that appeals to a wide audience of smartphone users. From high-performance gaming to multitasking across multiple apps, the device ensures smooth operation thanks to the intelligent architecture and AI-driven optimizations of the Exynos2400. In this video, we will explore the detailed specifications, cutting-edge features, and real-world performance of the Galaxy S25 FE, demonstrating why it is one of Samsung's most exciting releases of the year. The Galaxy S25 FE showcases major improvements in processing speed, graphics rendering, and AI-based efficiency, making it one of the most capable mid-range devices available today. Equipped with the Exynos2400 chipset, the smartphone effortlessly handles demanding applications, including high-resolution video editing, augmented reality, 3D gaming, and AI-assisted photography tasks. The multi-core CPU and GPU architecture ensures that tasks are distributed efficiently, minimizing lag and maintaining high responsiveness under all workloads. Whether capturing stunning photos, streaming Ultra HD content, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the S25 FE maintains smooth, uninterrupted performance for extended periods. Intelligent AI algorithms continuously optimize system performance, allocating power and resources based on real-time usage to enhance efficiency and reduce battery drain. This thoughtful combination of cutting-edge hardware and smart software design places the Galaxy S25 FE on par with much more expensive flagship devices. One of the standout aspects of the Galaxy S25 FE is its display, which delivers a visually immersive experience across all forms of content consumption. Featuring a high refresh rate AMOLED screen, the device offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high contrast, ensuring crisp, lifelike visuals for movies, games, and creative applications. The Exynos2400's powerful GPU works in tandem with the display to render animations and transitions fluidly, eliminating stutter and lag during multitasking. Advanced AI-driven adjustments automatically optimize brightness, color, and contrast based on ambient lighting and content type, creating a comfortable viewing experience for all conditions. High-resolution, wide color gamut, and precise calibration make reading, editing photos, and watching videos more engaging than ever before, with sharp detail and true-to-life visuals. For gamers, streamers, and content creators, the display delivers one of the best visual experiences in its price segment, enhancing immersion and productivity. The camera system on the Galaxy S25 FE is engineered to capture professional-grade photos and videos under a wide variety of lighting and environmental conditions. Equipped with a versatile multi-lens setup, AI-assisted photography, and advanced computational imaging, the device ensures sharp, detailed, and high-quality images every time. The Exynos2400's dedicated image signal processor accelerates real-time processing for faster capture, improved stabilization, and enhanced effects like night mode and super slow motion. Portraits, landscapes, and dynamic action shots are all rendered with exceptional clarity, accurate color reproduction, and precise focus, making every image social media ready. Video creators can shoot and edit directly on the device, applying advanced filters, stabilization, and post-processing enhancements without noticeable performance drops. Combined with AI-based scene recognition and optimization, the S25 FE provides a versatile, reliable, and creative photography platform for everyday users and professionals alike. Battery performance is another area where the Galaxy S25 FE excels, thanks to the Exynos2400's advanced energy management system. Intelligent power allocation optimizes energy consumption across multiple cores and background processes, resulting in longer battery life without sacrificing performance. Fast charging support allows users to quickly recharge and continue working or playing without long interruptions, enhancing overall convenience. Thermal management ensures the device remains cool even during intense gaming sessions, extended video streaming, or heavy multitasking workloads. Hydrogen usage predictions adjust battery allocation depending on individual patterns, further optimizing efficiency and extending device longevity. With these enhancements, the S25 FE provides uninterrupted usage throughout the day, whether for productivity, entertainment, or content creation. Connectivity features on the Galaxy S25 FE are designed to meet the modern user's expectations for speed, stability, and reliability. Supporting ultra-fast 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, the device ensures seamless communication, smooth streaming, and low-latency online gaming. AI-based network management intelligently prioritizes bandwidth and reduces lag for high-demand applications, improving overall user experience. Dual-band and adaptive connectivity features guarantee stability in crowded networks or areas with weak signals, keeping users connected wherever they are. Whether for work, remote learning, or entertainment, the S25 FE provides consistent, high-speed performance without interruptions or compromises. These connectivity innovations, combined with the Exynos2400's performance enhancements, make the S25 FE an ideal all-in-one device for modern lifestyles. Security and privacy are central to the Galaxy S25 FE experience, giving users peace of mind for personal and professional tasks. Biometric authentication, secure folders, and robust encryption protect sensitive information against unauthorized access and cyber threats. Samsung Knox ensures malware protection, system integrity, and safe app usage, creating a secure environment for mobile banking and confidential communications. Advanced tracking, remote locking, and data wipe options safeguard the device if it is lost or stolen, maintaining user control over sensitive information. Hardware-based and software-based security measures work together to provide comprehensive protection while maintaining system performance and usability. Samsung's focus on security and privacy emphasizes responsible device usage and builds trust among users worldwide, making the S25 FE reliable for all scenarios. Software integration and ecosystem connectivity enhance the overall Galaxy S25 FE experience beyond just a smartphone. The device interacts seamlessly with Samsung tablets, smartwatches, smart TVs, and home devices, creating a connected digital ecosystem for work and entertainment. Features such as Samsung DeX, Smart Switch, and AI optimizations allow users to expand productivity, multitask efficiently, and manage devices effortlessly. Regular software updates and security patches ensure optimal performance, longevity, and compatibility with the latest apps and services. High enhancements improve usability across all Samsung apps, delivering a smooth, intuitive, and responsive interface for daily tasks and creative work. By integrating with the broader Samsung ecosystem, the Galaxy S25 FE becomes a hub for both personal and professional digital experiences, maximizing convenience and value. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE powered by the Exynos2400 chipset is a landmark device in the mid-range segment, offering flagship-like performance at an affordable price. Its combination of high-performance processing, AI-powered optimizations, vibrant display, advanced camera system, long-lasting battery, and seamless connectivity makes it ideal for tech enthusiasts, gamers, content creators, and everyday users. By delivering premium performance, stylish design, and unmatched value, Samsung sets new standards for mid-range smartphones in 2025. The device provides fluid multitasking, smooth gaming, stunning visuals, and versatile photography capabilities for all types of users without compromise. Users can rely on the Galaxy S25 FE for work, entertainment, and creative projects, enjoying high performance and efficiency throughout the day. If you found this video informative and exciting, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest smartphone reviews, tech news, and innovations.